Understanding the phrase, scream in sorrow, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning and use of the phrase, scream in sorrow. This is a very expressive phrase in the English language, and understanding it can really enhance your communication skills, especially in emotional contexts. So, let's dive in and unravel its meaning together. First, let's break down the phrase into its two main components, scream and sorrow. Scream. This is a loud, sharp, and often sudden sound made with one's voice. It's usually an expression of intense emotion. Sorrow. This is a deep feeling of sadness or grief, often caused by loss or disappointment. When combined, scream and sorrow vividly expresses a very intense emotional reaction. Now, let's understand where and how this phrase might be used. Emotional context. This phrase is commonly used in situations of extreme sadness or grief. For instance, when someone receives very bad news, they might scream in sorrow. Literary use. You'll often find this phrase in novels, poems, or movies, where it is used to describe a character's deep emotional pain. To help you better understand, here are a few examples. 1. Upon hearing the tragic news, she screamed in sorrow, unable to hold back her tears. 2. In the movie, the hero screamed in sorrow when he realized he couldn't save his friend. Notice how the phrase adds depth and emotion to the sentences. It's important to be aware of cultural and language nuances when using phrases like this. Cultural sensitivity. In some cultures, openly expressing emotions like sorrow is less common, so the phrase might seem dramatic. Language variation. Similar expressions in other languages might not convey the same intensity. I hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, scream in sorrow, and how it can be used to express deep emotional pain in English. Remember, language is not just about words, it's about conveying feelings and experiences. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use expressive phrases like this one in your conversations. See you in the next video.